And welcome back. So we're on to day 3 of the JMC tougher questions, and we're near the end of the paper now. So this is a trickier one. So as ever, pause the video, give it a go, back in a minute. All right, so remembering again, these are questions for 12-year-olds. So they should never require maths. It's very tricky. I've done videos like this before. Clearly one of the key points in this whole lengthy bit of text is the word whole number, or more to the point, integers. So I know I'm dealing with whole numbers. So let's do a setup. So I'm going to label P to Q as P, Q to R as Q, and R to P as S. Probably not the best letters to use, but that's fine. Let's continue with this. Then it tells me, so again, just reading it carefully. So P to R directly is half the length of going all the way around. So in other words, I can write it in terms of my variable. So 2S, which is a direct route, is equal to P plus Q. Similarly, I can do the same thing if I'm going from P to Q via R, except that's 3 times as long, which gives me another equation I can then compare. I have 2 equations. I feel I'm missing something. And of course, the thing I'm missing, as given in the question, is the thing I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to find the route that goes from P to R, R to Q, and Q to P, or indeed the other way around. And that is going to be P plus Q plus R plus S. And I'm going to call that length T. Now, of course, the thing to note is in equation 1, I have P plus Q in terms of S. In equation 2, I have Q plus S in terms of P. So let's break these two out, which will give me 2 separate equations. So on the left, let's change my P plus Q to 2S. And that tells me that T is equal to 3S. Or more notably, T is a multiple of 3. Similarly, on the other side, I can switch out my Q plus S for 3P, and that tells me that T is equal to 4P. So T is a multiple of 4. Now, because 3 and 4 are co-prime, well, that means it must be the case that T is divisible by 3 and 4, and so therefore T must be divisible by 12. So in other words, which of these numbers is divisible by 12? Well, the only one that fits is D, which is 108. So my answer is 108. Again, go back to the question quickly. So the question does say somewhere which of the following could be the length. So again, it could be any multiple of 12, but that's the only one that fits here. So it's not the only answer. It's the only answer that fits the number I need. So today is D. Well done if you got that. As ever, do like and subscribe to the channel. Any comments down below. And tomorrow's question, again, slightly different question tomorrow, requiring a bit of thought, but I'll see you for tomorrow's question. Thanks all.